All right, I do apologize, but for getting a late start on recording this video. I had a lot going on, but here's some ground beef. There is some pork sausage. I put some onions and bell peppers. I sprinkled some perfect pinch Italian seasoning, some salt. Here is garlic. I love garlic. Onion. I do put water in my meat. Strain your meat. Add salt. Shh, don't tell nobody, but that was sugar. Y'all gotta forgive me for this shirt because this is my comfortable shirt. So I'm comfortable in cooking right now. But I forgot the ricotta cheese. So this lasagna is gonna have to be made without ricotta cheese. All right, now dump you some of that meat sauce in the bottom of your casserole dish and spread it around like you see me doing here. And now we're gonna start to layer. Y'all gotta forgive me because I'm holding the phone in my hand as I'm recording. Now, if you guys didn't read our description, Talia is allergic to gluten, so I have to use gluten-free pasta every time I cook. So check it. This is what I would normally do. I would normally put the ricotta cheese on top of the pasta or cottage cheese because I have used cottage cheese before and it was good too. Then I put my meat, then I put my shredded cheese, then I add a couple of slices of sandwich cheese, and then I just layer it like that a couple of times and I'm done with it. And because these are oven baked noodles, which means I did not cook them before putting them in the oven, I needed my meat sauce to be a little juicy so that the pasta would actually cook and not be dry and hard. Cheese, 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 and more cheese, please. I'm starting to realize I don't tell y'all in the beginning what ingredients you need. I need to start doing that. All right, now we're gonna add Parmesan cheese. Let's stick it back in the oven. Yeah, I try to get these videos done before the kids come home from school, and sometimes I'm not quite finished when they come home. And then there's so much going on that I forget to get a final clip, and I have to feed them. They be hungry, y'all, so I'm sorry.